You eat bread almost every day, but have you ever seen what actually happens inside your body the moment you take that first bite? What you're about to witness will completely change how you think about this simple food. Let's go on a journey inside the human body. Right now, we're looking at a complete view of the human anatomy. Every organ is visible: the brain, lungs, heart, stomach, and intestines. Watch closely as bread enters this incredible system and starts an amazing chain reaction. The moment bread touches your mouth, digestion begins. Saliva breaks down the starches. Now, watch as the bread travels down into the stomach. Here, powerful gastric acid attacks the bread, breaking it into smaller particles. The stomach walls contract, mixing everything together. This is where the real transformation starts. Next, the broken down bread moves into your small intestine. Look at these tiny finger-like structures called villi. This is where the magic happens. Nutrients from the bread, carbohydrates, B vitamins, minerals, and fiber are absorbed through the intestinal wall. Watch these glowing particles enter your bloodstream. They're now ready to fuel your entire body. First stop, your brain. Glucose from bread is the brain's primary fuel. See those neurons firing? The electrical signals are speeding up. Your brain uses about 20% of your body's energy. Bread provides quick mental fuel for focus, memory, and concentration. Now to your muscles. The carbohydrates from bread are converted into glycogen and stored in muscle tissue. This is your body's energy reserve. Athletes rely on this for endurance and strength. Every movement you make depends on this fuel. Deep in your intestines lives trillions of beneficial bacteria. The fiber in bread, especially whole grain bread, feeds these good bacteria. A healthy gut means better digestion, stronger immunity, and even improved mood. Your gut is your second brain. But bread doesn't work the same for everyone. Let's look at what can go wrong. For some people, bread can irritate the stomach lining. Too much bread, especially white bread, can cause bloating, gas, and digestive discomfort. The stomach produces excess acid, leading to inflammation and that uncomfortable, heavy feeling. Here's something critical. Bread contains gluten, a protein that affects millions of people. For those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, the immune system attacks gluten like it's a dangerous invader. This causes inflammation, skin reactions, headaches, and severe digestive problems. Watch what happens to your blood sugar. White bread causes a rapid spike in glucose levels. Your pancreas rushes to release insulin, but what goes up must come down. Within an hour or two, your blood sugar crashes. You feel tired, irritable, and hungry again. This cycle can lead to weight gain and energy problems. So what's the bottom line? Bread can be fuel or it can be a problem. It all depends on the type you choose and how your body responds. Choose whole grain over white bread. Watch your portions. Listen to your body. If you feel bloated or tired after eating bread, pay attention to that signal. Want to learn what other foods do inside your body? Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Drop a comment telling us what food you want us to explore next. Your body is amazing. Understand it, fuel it right.